Well, hello guys, welcome back to another video here on the Eddie's Life 24/7 channel. You join me as I'm heading out to a customer who's been getting a critical process fault error or blue screen. So fingers crossed we can try and work out what the hell's going wrong and try and diagnose it and hopefully resolve it. It may require taking back to the workshop, and I'll advise them about my leave that is due to come up. So let's go ahead. Let's head to the customer and see how we... I've just had this laptop dropped off by a customer. I've just realised I've got their name displayed just there. It's not working at the moment. Are we getting any power? No, we're not. Okay, so technically I've only got a day or so to work out how this is going to go. But I got a new head mount to go on today, as you can probably tell by my where the things are. So I'll plug that into there. See what's going on. I have literally just been given about a ton of new equipment into the office as well, which is awesome. Every laptop is fun to find where the power cord goes into. There it is. Right, let's see, do we have any backlights? Come on. One, two, three. Yeah, we're getting something. So looks to be slight screen issue by what I can see, but we are having issues with no boot device. That's fine. Okay, so this is gonna need me to have a look into the internals to see exactly how we can find this out. And because this screen is, as you can see, damaged, I'm going to recommend a replacement for the screen as well, which I haven't got one of these in anyway, so I've got to replace that. So let's go ahead, switch it off, and once this is switched off we can then take a look on the inside. So what do we have? We have a ton of, someone's been in this multiple times. There are no screws in this whole case. That doesn't bode well. Never bodes well. It's probably why it didn't switch on without power going into it. So what we'll do is we'll grab our little adapter that we can use to pry this open, a little pry tool, and we'll grab that. But that's going to have to wait till tomorrow to investigate. I know I need at least one bit of hardware, so it's the FA507. So I'll look that up and find the screen replacement for this. Now the thing is, I've actually switched off my PC. It's the end of the day. It's 4:47. Normally drop-offs are done later. So let me just grab myself the last bit of a drink. And as you can see, you're on top of my head, so you're seeing exactly what I'm seeing. I have just been very nicely donated 3 projectors, one there, and one there. 3 screens, some keyboards, some Yearlink phones, which is awesome because we were running low, and also some other items as well, which is superb. Of course, not my phone, and some sat navs, which was hilariously funny. Because everyone uses their phones these days, and a ton of cables. Now the cables they thought were all rubbish. A lot of them are like this, which are Cat 5Es. This one's actually a patch panel cable, which of course I'll stick into there. I will be doing some networking tests on those at some point. I've got 2 boxes full of cables that all need testing now. We're going to solve that mystery.
Come now.
Come on then, Bets. Betsy!
Fucking hell.
Go, 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 go. Sit, sit, sit.
There's an issue.
Can you see anything?
No! I'm just talking to the gob, which is you. And you. And you've got it on record. What even we're
Yes! Come on, Betsy! Betsy! Yay! Come on, Betsy! Oh, Betsy, boom! Hello. I've got to find the rope, please. Hello, boo. Come on then. Betsy, babe. Well, I've just done my reporting for all the banking that needs to be done for a business. I do it every 26th. Basically, it make sure that everything's all done. Now, earlier on, I was cleaning or emptying out the hot tub, which I believe it's nearly done, or at least nearly empty. Yep, that's awesome. Means I can clean that at some point. I won't be able to do it tomorrow, but I do need to fill it up tomorrow. But yeah, so Bruno, we've got neighbours doing other things in their gardens. Everyone's allowed to do their things. It's brilliant. Anyway, basically, I've done everything possible that I can do, and you probably saw the new angle for the vlogs. You know, head mounted. Just something different. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can put some washing up liquid or something to slosh this around to get something better. Might be worth if I put on some lights. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we can go from there. Okay, so I've cleaned it all out. We're giving it at least a bit of a brush. Now the thing that I have to do is disconnect those hoses down there, so then I can lift it up, pour it into the stones that are over there. So let's go ahead and do that. Main thing's done. I think the only thing left really is just put that over there. Lifting it up, there's a cable connected to a plug, but that's fine. Now let's lift this up and get rid of this dirty water. While it's in this position, give the bottom a bit of a clean, as well as the mat. Bruno, don't like that, please. Bruno, no. I'm gonna have to go and get a bucket, I think. What I'm gonna do is lean it on the bin, then I can use the hose to spray out. No, that water that's sinking down there, that's fine. We can grab that later. Since coming in from the garden and sorting out the hot tub, which is now ready to be filled up tomorrow, I have realised something. Well, actually, I've been spending some time. It's now 11:18, which means it's time for bed. But I have been working on my books for this year. So yes, I do my counting every single 26th, but I also want to make sure my books are all up to date. And there was a couple of discrepancies that I found, but they've all been resolved. And the reason why I do this is because come April the 4th or 5th, that becomes the end of the tax year. So April the 6th is a brand new tax year, and that's of course the tax results where I have to report my finances to HMRC and all that stuff. So the good news is I'm all up to date and I'm ready to just go to the accountant and go, my accounts are ready, feel free to log in, you can grab them. Because quite literally I have got them ready. to this stage. Now it's currently getting quite late in this video, which is a good thing. If you're wondering how I've been recording the latest this video and a lot of this video, it's because of this. Basically it's a headband, it's a 360, and of course you just stick it on your head and you put the camera here, and I just show you exactly what I'm doing so you get a point of view shot. You probably also saw the shot where I had Betsy filming, which was a bit more portrait, because I had that around Betsy, so that way you could see exactly what it was like from Betsy's point of view, which was a bit more difficult, different as well. I'm literally just making sure all of my drones are charged, ready for when Carl comes up. But otherwise, it's time that I head off to bed. So, thank you very much for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll see you guys in the very next episode. Till then, bye-bye.